Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to half swipe on Snapchat. This is the newest update on Snapchat, so you just need to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. So go to Google Play Store and try to search for Snapchat app. Go to the search box and type Snapchat. And then right here, if you find that update button, so you just tap that update. Now, once you've done updating your application, tap on open, then you will automatically go right here on Snapchat app and then go right here on chat. Well, basically, if you want to open a chat right here, you can just tap that message and you can read that chat. That's how you basically do that. But here on half swipe, all you need to do is just from the profile picture, just go and half swipe right here. So it will show up the message. Then if you want to go back, they will not notice that you see that message right there. So don't swipe the whole screen, just half swipe right here and it will show up that message, and you can swipe back off right here slowly. But if you want to swipe very fast, actually you can go right on the other tab. For example, you can go on maps, so like this on your screen, you can go right here on map actually. So if you want to use that half swipe, you need to very slowly, so you can start from the profile picture, then go slowly from right to left. So you can use this half swipe to see the message immediately. So that's how you basically use that new feature on Snapchat. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on our next video.